The goal is to create a type of confidence in the kitchen. The type that allows you to look in your fridge with limited ingredients and tell yourself, I can cook dinner tonight. I do have a bag of spinach that's going bad. I can cook that off with my steak. I do have a stick of butter and an egg. I can make some cookies. Maybe when you're at the store, you can think to yourself, I can grab a couple bottles of liquor since I know how to shake cocktails. We want you to create real value in the meals you prepare. And we kept everything approachable for our first few classes. Your shopping list is based on your diet. You can get everything from the same store. And we're gonna have some fun in our classes. We got music playing, we have a bunch of new media we're excited to premiere, and it's about time we showcase some of these new projects we have going this year. So yeah, we hope you get to join us. It's time to cook.